Yo, what up, Benny?
Yeah, we just wanted to make the gayest drink on earth.
I'll have a black coffee.
Bento! Weird way of saying it. How about my boy better not be talking about a bitch right now? Stop.
Feels like I see you everywhere.
I know, I'm stalking you.
What?
Are in my city, my flow is so shitty, but you know the dilly. It's week 1, don't get cuffed by no biddy. Yo, that was sick.
That was so fucking sick.
All right, later, Bento.
Bars, Pete.
Fucking Pete, baby!